guys, welcome to Spice and Slice where food tells a story. Today we are making a rich mushroom matar gravy, creamy, comforting and so good that one roti will never be enough. Let's start. First, clean 250 gram of mushroom gently. Slice them evenly and move straight to a light marination because flavor starts here. Into the bowl add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoon fresh curd. Mix gently, just enough to coat the mushroom. We are keeping the marination light because the gravy will bring its own magic later. Let this rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Now let's talk gravy. Finely chop one medium onion and keep it ready. In a blender, add 2 medium tomatoes, green chili, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic and 10 to 12 soaked cashews. Blend everything into a smooth rich paste. Heat 3 tablespoons oil in a pan. Add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and a small pinch of hing. Add chopped onion and cook until soft and lightly golden. Now add the tomato, green chili, ginger garlic and cashew paste. Mix well and let it cook. Add 3/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1.5 teaspoons coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala. Add a little water and cook the masala until the oil starts separating. That's shine. That's success. Now add half cup green peas and the marinated mushroom. Mix gently and let everything cook together. Add water according to the gravy you like. We are going for rich gravy. So add water carefully and let it simmer. Finish with freshly chopped coriander leaf. Turn off the flame and just like that, your rich mushroom matar gravy is ready. Serve hot with roti, naan or rice and enjoy every bite. If you love this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to Spice and Slice. Tell me in the comments, do you like mushroom matar thick or extra rich? Thank you for watching. See you in the next delicious story. Happy cooking!